This video provides instruction on how to install the Trex Rain Escape Soffit Light. The installation of soffit lights depends on the deck layout and the size of the deck. Use our materials estimator on TrexRainEscape.com to determine what materials you need for the job. The materials estimator will tell you how many runs and rows of lights you should install. Lights are typically installed every 4 to 5 feet. For example, a 12-foot run with lights installed every 4 to 5 feet will result in installing 2 runs of lights. Identify where you want to locate the lights. Make a mark on the underside of the joists every 4 feet, and make sure your marks are in a straight line across the width of the deck. Connect the transformer and optional dimming switch. Run the wire up into the joist cavity and staple it along the side of the joist. Drill holes to run wire through the joist. At every row, install a 6-way or T-splitter from the house out to the rim joist. Coil up the extra 6 to 10 inches of wire and staple it lightly to the side of the joist. At each junction, plug in the lights and 1 wire to continue the chain. Install the soffit material of your choice and clearly mark the location of the light. Using the 4 5/8 inch hole saw, cut a hole in the soffit where the light will be installed. Reach into the hole and pull out the extended wire. Plug the wire into the soffit light. Bend the orange support spring on each side of the soffit light and slide the light up into the hole until the springs clamp down on the back of the soffit material. The light can tilt and spin in any direction to give optimal light.